How to share out the printer driver over the network. Welcome to this tutorial on how to share and use BlackIce printer drivers over the network. With this method, you can enable your coworkers to access the BlackIce printer driver, even if it's installed on just one system. Let's get started. A key part of a shared printer setup is the designated output directory, where the printer driver places the generated documents. The output directory must exist on the host computer and be accessible to all users. To configure the output directory, go to Printers and Scanners. Select the BlackIce printer driver, click Manage, and then click Printer Properties. Navigate to the Advanced tab, click Printing Defaults, then go to the File Name Generation tab. In the Output Directory field, provide the shared folder's location manually or click on the Browse button to select the folder. Once the output folder location is configured, click on the OK button to save the changes. A warning window is displayed to remind the user to restart the printing application before printing to the printer driver. Click OK. To share the printer, navigate to the Sharing tab on the Printer Properties window. Enable the Share this printer checkbox and enter a name for how the printer should appear on the network. Click OK to proceed. Before the shared printer can be used on a client computer, the driver package must be installed. The driver package is located in the printer driver's installation directory, inside the driver folder on the host computer. Open File Explorer. Navigate to the driver folder, and copy its contents. Ensure the copied files are accessible on the client computer. Now switch to the client computer to mount and use the shared printer. Log into the client computer with administrative privileges to begin installing the driver package. Since the August 2021 Windows updates, only administrators are allowed to install driver packages due to security reasons. Users no longer can download the driver package from the host computer during the installation of a shared printer on the client. Paste the copied driver package files into a local folder. In this example, a folder named BlackIce Driver on the C drive will be used. Right-click on the INF file, and select the Install option. Once the driver package has been installed by the administrator, the shared printer can be attached by any user. To attach the shared printer, open File Explorer, and enter 2 backslashes followed by the host computer's name in the address bar as shown in the example, then press Enter. Enter the credentials of the host computer, and enable the Remember My Credentials checkbox. Administrator privileges are not required for this step. Right-click the shared printer and click Connect. Let's open Printers and Scanners to see if the printer was added successfully. To ensure the setup is working properly, print a document to the shared printer and check whether the output file has been generated on the host computer. That's how you share and use BlackIce printer drivers over the network. Thank you for watching the video. For more helpful videos, visit www.blackice.com.